Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's game time, and I'm gonna revisit 18 Archives. I opened, I think, 2 of these, and then had to move on. I think that Archives, came out at a time when lots of stuff was coming out, so I could only pay so much attention and collecting dollars to it. Now the price is probably at least $20 lower. So I went back to revisit it, and you do get 2 autographs, so that kind of piqued my interest again. And I really like the base cards. I love how they have the reprint design for different years. So I wanted to go another round with this. And so we shall. Alright. Chris Davis, Gallo, Archer, Lindor, Mookie. Alright, the Sandlot Kenny De Nunez insert from the movie. Matt Duffy and Reggie Jackson. Bert Blyleven, Bernie Williams. There's a Glaber rookie. Clayton Kershaw, Nick Williams rookie. The Yankees triple rookie. And Chipper and A-Rod. Beltre, Cooper rookie. Flaherty rookie. Fernandez, Fulmer. Beantown Bees. Catfish Hunter and Smoltzy. Jordan Hicks rookie. Brian Anderson rookie. Sweet Juan Soto rookie. Davis Stevenson rookie. Clint Frazier Coming Attraction rookie. Carew and Stargell. I don't know how anybody could not like this base set. Keuchel, Judge, Santana, Ozuna, Murphy, Turn Back the Clock, Randy Johnson, Tom Glavine, and Randy Johnson again. Alright, Cepeda, Tomei, Marquez, Verdugo rookie, Andujar Coming Attractions rookie, Nolan Ryan, Kinsler, and Votto. Margot, Manea, Bradley Jr., Schwarber, Beckham, Dominic Smith Coming Attraction, Biddle rookie, and Fergie Jenkins. Alright, Spawn, Upton, Encarnacion, Rosario rookie, Boudreaux, Nick Williams Coming Attraction, Gray, and Ichiro. So no autograph yet. It was 2 autographs, right? I think that's right. It's a good looking Yelich card. Cubby, Rizzo Bryant. Oh, look at that stash. You the man. Alright. Gary Carter. Will Clark. Oh, look how young he looks. Dodgers triple rookie. Nice. Mike Trout. Ramirez Castro. Look how young he looks. Wow. Ashburn, Bunning, Turn Back the Clock, Ichiro. Good looking Bellinger card. Stanton, Mayhaw rookie. Bertram Grover Weeks from the Sandlot. Sims rookie. Schleble. I know there's some parallels in here, but I haven't pulled one yet. That would be nice. There's DeGrom. Ooh, Orlando Merced. So a vet auto on card. It's not numbered, but cool nonetheless. Alright, so that's auto number 1. Set that down before I drop it. Maddox Bader rookie. Roger Clemens. Sutton Hicks rookie. Elvis Andrews. I like that this is a full box of cards too. Looks like we got a parallel back there. I think we got one of the purples. And it is AJ Pollock. Numbered, I don't remember what these are numbered to, 175. Cards stacking up to the sky over there. There's a Devers rookie. These are Kevin Apier. Dang, I've already got this one. That stinks. I mean, not that it's a bad card, but I was hoping for something. You don't want one you've already got, unless it's like Acuna or something. So boo on that. Let's see if we can get anything else cool out of here. I think Apier probably signed a ton. Benintendi. O'Neill rookie. Oh, Rhys Hoskins and Dominic Smith rookie. Lots of rookies in that pack. Goria, Dodgers, Kluber, Pedroia. Arenado, Bohr, Tanaka, another Sandlot, Michael Squints, Palidorus, Yu Darvish, Freddie Freeman. If you're trying to make this set, I have a listing with all of the base cards in my eBay store. The links below. I don't know how long it'll take me to add these to that listing, but I will do that. But I already have like hundreds. There's a Topps rookie history, Jim Palmer. JP Crawford rookie. So if you're trying to finish this set off, I can probably help. Base Pollock, Giolito, Mets star rookies, can't talk. Berrios, Bell, Pham, Lester, Shoop, and Fowler rookie. 2 more, hang in there, we can do this. I think we can do this. Sandberg, Meadows rookie. Topps rookie history, Bagwell. After Piazza, I think he's my second favorite player. From Topps traded. Well, not the most attractive looking rookie card, but Nito and Killebrew. But I'm sure there are lots of people busting open their traded sets to pull that card out. Mattingly, Hayes rookie, Lasorda, George Brett, Irvin, Gibson, Ernie, Banks. And that is it for this box. Yeah, these base cards, I don't know. This is a good set. I can see why people are making this set. I've sold a ton of cards from that listing, so that tells me lots of people are putting this set together. I wish I had gotten a different autograph, but other than that, let's take a look at the autos real quick. The Merced's pretty good. I mean, Apier's fine too. I remember him. He's like from my prime days. Don't want to date myself too much, but these are pretty cool. I like that it gives you 2 autographs, and like I said, the box price has come down a good bit, so if you want a fun little break and you really like these base cards, I say revisit some archives. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Topps Archives. Hope everybody has a great day, and I'll be back with my next break very, very soon.